up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to mess with the 2003 Mini Cooper. I'll show you what I'm having problems with. Door lock won't come back up. So we are going to tear the door apart and figure out what's wrong. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have to take the door panels off. Somebody put aftermarket speakers in. So this is Phillips. When you remove the speaker wires, always take note which side is which, because there's a positive and a negative. And in our case, the positive has a red stripe and there's a positive on the speaker. Plus in this speaker there are two different size leads, so you can tell which one's which. This just pops off, like so. And then it is a T27 Torx. And from the last time I did this, I learned under this thing, I guess is where it is. Yep. There is another. Now, these doors, tabs, just like so. Go the whole way around, and then you pick up and pulls out, just like so. Door panels off. Now I lost the screw. Now I gotta figure out why this will come off. I cannot see in there. Be a flashlight. In this case, it's going to be easier to put the window up. Get my big little head in here. So company. There it is. Alright, so let me get you down here with me. Alright. So, inside the door here, you see that green clip up in there? So, this, I'm going to switch around here again. This guy goes in here, and he goes, this is really hard to do. He goes into that clip, this clip right here. Just need to spin around. Alright, I gotta put the camera down and do this. I think. Maybe. Anyway, you get the idea. It needs to go into this clip. And then once I get it in that clip will hold it in place, and then it'll hold the door lock in place. So, let me work on getting this clipped in. I can put the camera down. I'll bring you guys back when I have it together. Alright, so we get it back in where it belongs. As you can see, it gets pushed into that clip. It snaps into place. That allows you to lock and unlock the door. See? Alright, so I'm going to work on getting the door put back together real quick. Thank you guys for watching today. Stay tuned for the next one.